Well, we've had a great day here at SCU Lismore campus. We've had some industry throw some challenges at the students around plastic waste, and the students have responded and developed 5 really innovative approaches to addressing the issues that industry has brought with them.
We had 2 different scenarios, one for each business. Both groups working on our scenarios delivered some really insightful and thoughtful feedback for us, and things that we hadn't considered. Sometimes you've gone through what you feel like is every scenario and haven't arrived where you need to. So it's so refreshing to see that the students, with their passion for these causes, what they can deliver to us. So we're inspired, feeling energised and ready to move to the next stage.
Today was awesome. It was great to hear the students' experience, perspectives on how we can better utilise waste at the campus here and how we can improve our systems.
So today was just an eye-opener of the importance of managing our waste and just sort of ensuring that we put it in the right recycle bins and all of that stuff. So for me, it was a really great opportunity to learn about waste management.
I really enjoy listening to other people's opinions and also other people's creative ideas about like environment. So I really enjoy it.
I've enjoyed talking about our real topics like human-centred design and global challenges that we've got, like with soft plastics waste.
It was a really sort of instructional day around how to think about approaching specific challenges and the process that is involved with that particular structure.
I've learned about circular economy and stuff as well. I didn't really know a lot of the jargon for all this kind of stuff, which has been interesting, and learnt a bit about what the New South Wales EPA is doing for plastics within the state, which is very interesting. We are looking at the waste on campus at SCU and how it's increased since having more foot traffic and more stakeholders on the campus. And our solution is to create an education program and make it compulsory for all students, high school students, basically anyone on the campus to do, and then to also hopefully update the bins and the signage so people are aware what they should be recycling, what should go into landfill, and what should go into the food scraps organics waste to reduce that landfill contribution that the campus is making.
That it was a good program that we learned about the waste management, and hopefully we provide SC with a greener future.